Oh, what do we have here? This one is entitled Brat's Jealous Meltdown ends in 10 felony charges by Uncovered.
On August 30th, officers in Little Falls approached a vehicle outside a banquet hall after noticing the passengers fighting inside the car. A violent argument had broken out between the suspect and her sister over an unwanted guest in her car. Police speak with the parties separately and quickly realize the suspect is extremely intoxicated and completely uncooperative.
My phone! Carla brought me out! Carla brought me out!
Do you have your location? Does she have your location or
No, she brought me out and then she just beat me up.
Get out.
Can you guys please
Get out of here now. Get out of this parking lot.
When it's a white
Get
girl.
out of this parking lot.
When it's a white girl.
Get out of this. I don't care who it is. Black, white, and Chinese, or candy stripe. Get out.
He pissed him off when he started naming people. That's how you know you done pissed a black person off. When they start naming everybody can get it. Yeah, you just need to walk away.
Do not stop until you get on Route 80. Get out of this parking lot.
The suspect complains to officers about her sister Carla.
I swear to God.
I can't cap though. That is a valid crash out though, bro. If my sibling brings somebody in the car that I don't like or I don't know, it's gonna be a problem, bro. I'm just saying.
Stop!
Oh, in front of the cops?
Yep.
Oh, no.
Who you think you
She crashing out in front of the cops?
I know. Why are you fighting? Did you not? Because you're trying to fucking hit Carla. Sit your big ass down and stop.
Who got into it? The two sisters or the sister and the friend?
You hit me first. Carla, look at my face. You just hit me first.
You hit me the
Carla.
You
just hit me first when I got in the car.
crazy since
Carla,
you got
you
out.
just hit me
Ooh.
Picking you up from
You going to jail?
acting crazy.
What is wrong with you?
Got you.
What is wrong with you?
I didn't touch her. She just
You have a fucking problem.
She just punched
You
me
have
when I
a
got
problem.
in the car.
If I deal with you one more time, I promise you,
That's what you did to
I'm going to tear your life up.
That's what you did to
Shut up! Shut up!
Shut your mouth and just sit in the front seat, please.
If I deal with you one more time, I swear to God, your knife is going to be fucking ruined.
I just want to honestly be out of this car and find my phone because
I want you out of Little Falls.
she just punched me.
I want you out of Little Falls.
Damn, boy, you got him yelling. You know how much it take a man to yell?
Listen, she just punched me on my face twice and you guys didn't do anything.
If I deal with you one more time,
Look at
I
the
promise
camera. Look at
you.
the
If I
camera.
deal with you one more time, I promise you.
Okay, just do
I
it.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie, them lights is giving me epilepsy. I cannot do no lights like that at night in my car. Damn.
I promise you.
I don't care, honestly.
I promise you. If I deal with you one more time,
I don't care. You're weird.
you're disgusting. You're fucking disgusting. Sorry, man, for slamming your door.
Nah, you're good, man.
Get her out of here.
I didn't mean to punch you, but like when Carla punched me in my face first.
Listen, do me a favor. Do me a favor. If you guys can get her Uber or call her Uber, she's already listed.
She can't do that to me.
So
She
order
brought me
them
out.
an Uber
Carla
and get them out of
brought
here.
me out.
We'll take her.
Carla
We'll
brought
get
me
the other
out.
one.
He said we'll take her. Of course you will. Shit.
Get her out of Little Falls.
And he kicking her out the whole little area. Shit. I ain't never seen a cop do that.
In the back, no, not at all. We were gonna leave before, because even Carla, the sister, she was like, I don't feel comfortable. Wait, and then you walked out with her. She was like, honestly, she was like, I don't.
We're just wondering if she has like a diagnosed like something, because that's not alcohol. Well, they don't.
Yeah, that's usually alcohol mixed with mental health shit like bipolar, schizophrenic. So usually when you got people like that and they mix drugs and alcohol, that's what that normally looks like. Cause I got an uncle that went to prison damn near every holiday because he get the tripping and shit.
They don't know her. They don't know her that well.
RP Uncle D Money from Oak Cliff.
You just punched me in my face.
Sit down in the car and shut up.
Shut the f up.
You telling a cop that?
But I have my concealed, and there's a fire in the car right now. So I'd rather center console. I'd rather get her out. You know what? I'm sorry about that.
You get in the car. You get in the car and just stay there.
Can I call myself the ride that I
Just
said?
you just be quiet.
She punched me.
You
in
just
my-
be quiet. You just be
Why don't
quiet.
you go watch the cameras? and
No,
see what
how about you
actually
just go
happened?
do something with yourself?
Why don't I watch the cameras?
Why you keep talking to the cop, babe? This is not finna end the way you want it to.
You're disgusting. You are disgusting.
Okay.
You are disgusting.
Okay, great.
You're a disgusting
I hope
person.
you feel so good about
No, I don't
yourself,
need to feel good. You,
officer.
thank you. Thank you. I've worked very hard for it.
Officer.
You're disgusting.
Okay.
Dang, what she do to piss him off? I want to know, like Joe, or is he just being an a-hole?
Disgusting.
Mom, now. I'm not joking you. She'll pick me up. Like, you're weird.
They're gonna be here in like
They
5
won't
or
even
6
let me
minutes.
call my
Who?
phone.
Yeah, because I didn't think I was allowed to bring it inside. Okay, that's why.
She's gone?
He just brought the cop the firearm.
What was that from?
The second we got on the car.
What just happened just now?
Was that with her fist or her?
With her foot.
With her heel?
In the foot with her heels.
All right, well, she's coming right with us.
Hold on, what's wrong? I can't see it. Oh man, me and my sibling, my sibling do that to me. Oh, you about to? Oh God, yeah, it's going down. One of us not walk. Oh man,
Fine.
hell no.
You want an ambulance?
No, I'm fine.
We're gonna
You guys have like a wipe or like a towel or something? Like she can.
That's what the ambulance can do. They can.
I don't need
I mean, obviously, you know, that's gonna
With a heel to the forehead, and you supposed to be? Oh no.
go through insurance and stuff, but you know, we can get you a napkin.
Yeah, like a napkin, just like a napkin, so she can like wipe it and it's not like
she's
running
gonna
down
be
her
a
face or anything.
victim. She's gonna need to do violent
Simple
divert.
assault.
Yep.
I'm sorry, Maria. I'm so sorry.
I just need you.
My sister wouldn't. I mean, my brother would never be able to go with me ever again. Having them episodes, keep your crazy ass over there. I fuck with you like this from a distance. I can't stand that shit. I had to grow up with a bipolar sister. Baby, take that shit over there.
You gotta stay here for a few more
Yeah,
minutes,
just
okay?
stay out of the car, just stand here.
Get out the truck.
What did I do now?
Get out.
I'm so confused.
Get out.
Why do you keep?
Get out.
Put your hands on it.
You just assaulted that girl with a fucking heel.
Punch me
That's
in my
assault
face
with a
first,
weapon.
And you guys won't even watch the camera. No, I'm not moving.
Oh, here we go. Damn, I know that hurt it.
He's got a double lock.
You literally want to hurt me so bad. I'm not.
This is embarrassing for you. This is
Bro,
embarrassing.
this hurts.
This is
All
embarrassing.
right, then let me walk. Just unloosen them.
I ain't gonna lie, the cop talking shit to the lady and she already intoxicated. She not in her right mind and she might have a mental health issue. This is not helping it. This is only gonna make it worse.
A little bit. He put them so tight. I
They're not
can't.
tight.
No, I can't. You guys put. All right, let me walk them. All right. Come on, I want to call somebody else. I asked you guys that 8 times.
You're
Why
under arrest right now.
Why?
Domestic violence, simple assault.
She punched me in my face first. You guys will watch the video when we walked out here. Can you guys watch it, please? Guys, I need to call somebody else. I don't know where my phone is. Come on.
We're gonna fill out some paperwork if you guys don't mind for maybe a couple more minutes.
I can't lie though. I don't give a fuck what my sibling did to me. I still wouldn't have said nothing unless the cops just seen it right there for themselves. I don't know how much they saw, but I wouldn't want my sibling to go to jail. I just got their ass, but yeah, I couldn't do that to my mama, my daddy, my siblings. Like, nah, we gonna handle that internally, baby.
No, actually, you're
No, we'll take it.
You know what?
Yeah, no, I don't
Yeah,
care.
it's not gonna be long. It's just a vine form.
She brought me out here. Why are you guys doing this to me? Why are you guys doing this to me?
You're gonna also be afforded opportunity to do a restraining order against her, which you can deny. You just have to sign off if you want to go that route. And then there's gonna be a divert form.
That's gonna be weird when it come to family functions and shit.
The domestic violence team that you'll be able to speak to.
Why are you guys? No, I'm not going in anywhere. Carry me. You guys can carry me.
Grab under her knee.
Ow! Come on, please.
She said they could carry her. Then when they get to carry her, she was talking about some
Please. Ow. Because they're fucking doing this. My titties are out. Can you please help me? Can you please? Please. No, my boobs are out. My boobs are
Female
out. My
officers
boobs
gonna
are
put 'em
out.
back.
My boobs are out.
You just sign those forms, and then you'll be able to leave. All right, we're gonna go in. It's
y'all thought it got bad right now with her doing this in front of the cops, but it's about to get way worse.
We can sit right in the lobby. They can stay right next to us if you're comfortable. Okay. I'm gonna get those forms going and go from there. You guys, will this buzz on that bell again?
Yeah, we got it.
And I'll stay with you guys in the lobby.
Sounds good. Thank you.
My boobs are out.
Hold on, they outside the police station doing this shit?
Yes, they are.
I know you lying. I know you outside the police station. You gotta be some type of stupid to be fighting and getting kicked out the goddamn city or the little area at their own police station.
Oh my God, my boobs.
She didn't even have to get in the cop car. They just walked. Oh, baby.
We got one
You was going to jail before you was even put in handcuffs.
back in here.
Please, why are you doing
You gotta be dumber than a box of rocks.
What is it? Can I please make a phone call to someone? I didn't do anything. She punched me in my face first. Can you not
Can somebody please put her thing up, please? Like, we don't want to see that.
see my face? Can you not see my face is red? Can you guys please watch the camera. She punched me.
They could have at least, been like, cause if that was your child, you wouldn't want thing out like that. Come on now, officers. We gotta be better men than this. Unless it's one of those things to where if they try to fix it, she talk about essay or something. You know what I'm saying? I get it. So, but at the same time, come on, cover the lady up now. I know she acting a fool, but come on.
Her face. Did you see her face?
Yeah, because
Did you see her face? You kicked her with your heel.
I kicked her with my heel because she punched in my face first.
I highly doubt that.
Okay. Watch it outside then. You'll see that she tries to hit me first. But you guys won't believe that.
Where's a woman officer at like right now? Cause these cops, they could have been more understanding and put the thing titty up. Like, come on, man.
See, now I don't know how this works with getting her out. Like, she signed out, but
She call somebody else.
but now once she gets out of a summons, she's still got to get
Now she got to spend the night. She got to let that alcohol wear off.
picked up.
Have her call
has-
somebody else.
she
She
has-
said she has multiple people she can call, but let her call somebody else. Because, huh?
I would not want to be dealing with this shit.
Do you have the phone? I don't even know where anything is.
You gotta do Vine and divert for her.
Yeah.
Why they have some random person pick me up? I don't know who that is. I don't know who that
Thank God the lady was there to fix it.
is at all. Why are you guys doing this to me? I want to call someone.
You doing this to yourself, baby?
Domestic violence charge.
Girl,
Yo, what are you doing?
you just kill me at this point.
What? No, babes.
Stop. Stop.
Did she just try to choke herself with her purse?
There's no need. No, I'm not doing this. You guys are charging
At what point do we just gotta send
No,
her?
I didn't do anything. You guys will watch the video back that she punched me in my face first outside. Yeah. Oh, I'm doing too much of it.
But she's
Guys, let me
be
know.
hospital watch.
I mean,
Guys, I got.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie to you. If she would have kept acting like this, I would have definitely took her to the hospital, maybe a mental hospital to get her checked out. Cause she's gonna be not a flight risk, but she could cause some really bad harm to herself if y'all don't get her the proper care that she needs.
I got my kids. You won't let me call my own
Take this
ride. You won't let me call my own ride.
Oh my God.
Who that is? I don't know who that is. Please. I want to go home. Please. Please, can I call my mom? Please. Why are you being like this to me? Can you watch the video back that she punched me in my face first until I got in the car? She was trying to punch me again, so I
So why you ain't got no marks on your face or your eyes?
pushed her back. I swear to God. Just forget about that. I don't care. I just want to call someone that I know. I don't know who those people are. What does nobody understand about that? I don't know who that is. And she started. Please just watch the video and outside. Please. Can I please call someone?
No.
What am I supposed to do?
I don't know. Figure it out.
What do you mean I have no ride or nothing?
Figure it out. Figure it out. At this point, I care less about your concerns.
Please. I want
Yeah, you real crash out to be doing that in front of the police station. Baby, they didn't even have to drive you 5-10 minutes up the road. You was in walking distance. Like, that's crazy.
Care less.
No,
I can care less about you or your concerns. Figure it out.
Are you the boss? I want to speak to your manager now. I'm sorry.
That is my favorite thing to hear when people are arrested.
There you go, right there.
That's not the manager because
He's the
I
sergeant.
can tell he's new. He's definitely not. Because
That's crazy.
That's not what sergeants are supposed to do. Saying I act around my kids. No, I act around my sister when my sister acts like this, and then she tries to switch the whole thing on me, and then she punches me in my face, so I push her back when we get.
You got kids? I feel sorry for that man, because that's going to be some of the greatest poontang he ever had, but it's going to come with that type of shit right there. Oh,
in the
God.
court, and then she says this. Can I please call someone? Actually, please. please, like literally, I need someone to watch my kids. Like I have work soon.
Well, your sister, I'm sure, looks doing it to your mom.
No, she's not. I'm not. No, we don't live together. Like I don't know what you think this is.
Mom.
She's not. She called some random coworker to pick her up.
That might be her little work babe.
What are you talking about? My mom has no idea. My mom has no idea. I need to call my mom.
Mom knows that you're here.
No, she doesn't. Okay.
Your sister calls her.
But you guys like
If she called her in front of y'all, okay, that's a good sister.
her calls. And
Cause me personally, I would have been like, let her spend the night there. We'll get her in the morning.
you guys won't let me call anybody to pick me up.
I'm just playing, y'all. I wouldn't do my sibling like that, or would I?
Something.
You're in a whole other section here with us now.
Now you
Now
guys.
you have criminal charges.
You guys say that I didn't do anything to her. You guys say that.
I was stabbed, like multiple.
No.
Yeah, ×2 everything.
Damn, everything. So that she did, that was assault. So domestic violence twice, assault twice. What are the other 3 though? She got 10 felonies. I want to know, like Joe.
The suspect was charged with domestic assault, disorderly conduct, assault on an officer, resisting arrest, DUI, reckless driving.
Damn. Wait a minute. Domestic assault, disorderly conduct, assault on an officer, resisting arrest, DUI, reckless driving, careless. How the fuck was she driving?
Careless driving, and driving with open liquor in the vehicle.
Oh yeah, she cooked.
Please leave a like if you enjoyed this video. And
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. Away. Out. See you guys at the next premiere. Bye.